What up, YouTube? Welcome back to a new video. I haven't made a POV drive in forever, so I'm gonna make one. And I did lower my car a lot more. Yeah, you see that blaze on the ground. The fitment is perfect right now. Sorry, we've been renovating my house and I've been doing stuff in my car when I needed to get. Well, I've been waiting. I got to upgrade the fuel pump, low pressure fuel pump. Haven't installed it yet, but I need to. Got some gaskets I needed, but needs replaced. And I got a new intercooler for it, so it's going to be maxed out basically. When I put on the E85, it's going to max out the stock turbo. But I'm going to run it like that for a while, and then eventually upgrade the turbo. But I'm going to enjoy it for what it is on the stock turbo, and then switch. Especially how low I got it. I'm not going to go crazy. I ain't trying to race everyone. It ain't no competition. I just enjoy how this car sounds and just everything about it, to be honest. But in a little bit, I'm going to run to the store and I'll get a little POV and I'll get back to y'all. Peace out. I know it's dark as crap in my car, so I don't know what y'all can see. Really need to get a mic for the intake so you guys can hear it up there real good. I might try to get that soon. I've been making video, I've been fixing a whole bunch of stuff on this car, but everything's pretty much there, so guys don't hear that wind a lot. There's a cop up here already. That boy popping. She stank though. Bottomed out. Oh my God.